If you want to use Edge Panels or the sidebar on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all we need to go to Settings. Then over here in Settings we're going to proceed to Display Settings, and then in here we should be able to find the Edge Panels option, which of course can be easily enabled or disabled, so you want to make sure that it is on. We're going to also go into that setting itself in order to find further customization options, which are quite useful. Like for example, we have the handle customization, so you can adjust the position of the handle, its color, and appearance in general. Then we can also go to panels in order to decide what should be accessible on that sidebar. So by default we use it just for apps, but you can also include people, we can also include tasks, and so on and so forth. You can also tap on edit in order to, of course, decide what contacts should be accessible over there. You can also go to tasks to do exactly the same thing, to decide which tasks should be accessible in there. And the same thing can be done with apps. In the case of apps, of course, you can also tap on these three dots in the upper right corner in order to find some further options, like for example the AI select feature, which we can disable if you don't like it. And if you want to, you can of course keep adding more and more apps into the sidebar. Now, once you are done with the customization, then of course you can open the sidebar quite easily. So we can just simply swipe into the middle of the phone in order to show the sidebar. So there we go. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.